Right, assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to the ICP update. Today it's going to be Wednesday, 10th of January, and we kind of have some sideways consolidation on the 15 minutes time frame. I want to check how the EMAs on this 4-hour time frame looks for the coin. So yeah, just very normal. Previously you came down, you retested the 55 like this, you went up again, you came below the 55, and then all of a sudden you're jumping above the 55 here, and again you're holding the 55. It doesn't really look like the EMAs are very good right now. What about the Bollinger Bands? The Bollinger Band does suggest that you're holding the middle band at the moment, right? So you're really bouncing off the middle band right there. If I zoom in right over here, you can see that you went to the lowest band, broke up, came to the highest band, got rejected, and now you're holding the middle band, just the way you were holding the middle band right over there as well. So right now, it's really kind of hard to say what ICP is trying to do, unless, as I told you in yesterday's video, when I turn on the logarithmic scale, if everything remains cool and calm, we may actually see ICP just moving up to $29.5, which is going to be a price hike from there. We're talking about 127%. Now let's actually see if there's anything else we can check out. And I think that we're looking for a mini drop down to this trend line if it does happen. So you're looking at a descending broadening wedge here. So you do have this descending broadening wedge. You broke above it, you went to the technical target. So if you are going to continue to go lower, then you're looking for this thing to actually drop down and touch 11.136, and that's where you have your next very big support right there. Now to me, I told you before that if you start to go below 10.3, that's going to be an issue, and that's going to open up a window for coming down to 8.9, 8.4 and stuff like that. And if you end up going all the way down and take $8.2 as well, then for me that could be a very big statement from the coin that it really wants to keep on retracing and correct even further down. I would actually just say that there will be a huge discount if you once again try to go below $8.2, because my average buying is actually around $6 to $7. So if you do get $6-7 again, yeah, to me honestly, I don't know, my own research, I'm buying a little bit that, you know what, $6 for me or $7 for me is still a very nice good discount. But I'm not really guaranteeing that it's going to happen at the moment. We still need to see 10.3 being lost. We still need to see 8.2 being lost, and then we're going to talk about further down pressure, maybe down to the next support, which actually could be 6.5 or 6.4. That's where I do see another support, and if you lose that, then it's going to be 5.6 as well. Let's just hope for the best at the moment, because everything is pretty much holding. On the daily as well, the EMAs are still maintained. I don't see the EMAs being lost anymore. So if I show you this EMA just like that, you can see that the 10 is still being held at the moment. And that's it for the video. Just a quick one. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.